Today we have a video from Arrest Mania, and the title of the video is Drunk Karen Loses It After Getting Kicked Off a Flight, Blames It on Racism.
2022. American Airlines staff called police after a woman became intoxicated, loud, and disruptive on a flight. When officers arrived, the situation quickly escalated. This is what happened next.
I can't put them on now. What's the matter?
Arms up. He be racist. He keep me off the plane.
Okay, all right.
He be racist.
All right, give me a minute.
He keep me off the plane.
Turn around.
Yes,
Turn
sir.
around. This is for my safety and yours.
Put your hand behind your back, ma'am.
Yes,
Bravo 20, can you guys land on the signal first?
All right.
He picked on me.
Come on. Let's go sit over here. Come sit over here. Ma'am, come sit over here.
No, ma'am, I'm listening to you.
Okay, we're going to come sit.
Bravo 20, it's going to be
Have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat.
I want to say it's for the RCC. Verify things, it's still counting from the time.
But don't be racist to kick me off a plane. He kick me off a plane. Over nothing. I wasn't doing nothing. Ask all of them. I wasn't doing
But it's too
nothing.
late for that now. All right?
I
It's
don't
just too late for
care.
that.
I wasn't doing nothing. It's still racism. Call racism what racism is.
All right.
Man, I done lost too many friends for this racist ass.
You got her,
I lost too many friends for this white ass.
Ma'am, I need to ask you a question. Are you on any medication or are you...
No, text me.
No, we're trying to find out if you have something medical going on.
No, ma'am, they picked on me and I'm hurt.
How much have you had to drink today?
I had about 2 double shots and 2 seltzers.
okay. Well, ma'am, what's your name?
2 double shots and 2 seltzers. 2 double shots, 4, and then 2 seltzers.
Chelsea, Deputy Soto.
I can't shake your hand.
Oh, that's okay. Deputy Soto, Deputy Shopper. Listen, I don't have any gloves on.
Can you wipe the hair out of my mouth? I
We're gonna-
promise I ain't gonna bite you.
You told me. Okay.
He gave me out the plane.
Listen to me.
He told me.
Listen to me. Listen to me.
It was in my bag.
We're gonna get your ID. Listen to me now.
I just wanted to go home.
Okay,
I didn't
listen
want
to
no
me.
problem. I didn't want no problem.
All right, but now listen to me. Listen to me. I'm gonna ask you something. You told Deputy Schaffner that you had 2 drinks, 2
Yeah,
shots, right?
I did.
Maybe that's probably why.
I was sitting down and being quiet and they came to me and picked on me.
Well,
Didn't nobody else say shit but them. I
listen,
was not
it's-
saying nothing
it's-
about it. I was just sitting down being quiet trying to
it's
go
too late.
home and let them watch
But now
shit.
it's too late for that. Now,
But they gonna pick on me because I know that love is love.
Okay.
And because I'm not racist, they gonna pick on me.
it's all right. Relax.
Yeah, I'm getting loud because I got a problem with racism. I got a big ass problem with racism. I don't even care. Just take me in prison. I don't even give a motherfucking care. But y'all ain't gonna hate on.
All right.
Y'all ain't gonna just tell me that because I don't submit that black is different than white because I ain't gonna ever. So y'all being racist, I don't care. I don't even care. I don't even care if you pick on white people. Fuck white people. You can pick on me all you want.
All right.
I don't even care. I didn't do nothing wrong. I didn't do nothing
Got
wrong.
her cuffed already.
Sir,
Yeah, we're gonna take her out.
I didn't do nothing wrong. No, y'all being racist. Y'all asked me to stand up. Bro,
Chelsea, yeah, we're gonna go
They
now.
should be on the plane for nothing. I'm
We're gonna go,
trying
Chelsea.
to go home. I'm trying to
Put
go
your shoes
home.
on, Chelsea. Chelsea, put your shoes on. Put your shoes on.
No, it ain't okay, bro.
You got all the rest of her bags?
Yeah, this is it. These in.
That's it?
On the plane for nothing.
Those aren't hers?
They don't give me on the plane for nothing, bro. 'Cause I know love is love. 'Cause
right,
I ain't white enough for them. They don't give me off the plane 'cause I ain't white enough for them.
Ma'am, there are
Fuck
children.
you, you white asses.
There are
You're
children.
You're fucking you white ass bitches. Fuck the next white man too. I'm promising God, those white asses. Get the white ass flying out the plane 'cause you ain't white.
Damn, she ain't rocking with her own people. She not rocking with her own people, man. She said they kicked her off the plane because she's not white enough. And then she turns around and says, F white people. She's white. No. Yo, she is a nut job, man. I wonder if she really thinks like this when she's sober, or only these thoughts come out when she's drinking. You know, they say the truth comes out when you're drunk. You know, that's what they say.
No, I ain't white enough. Just racism. You're racism. Lock me up. I don't care. Racist. Racist motherfucker ass. Can I give a motherfucker? I'm just trying to fly home and do right. Ask me if I about your racist ass motherfucker. I ain't submitting to this shit. Yo, y'all pick on a white bitch trying to fly home and go to prison. Pick on me. Pick on me. I don't give a and I ain't drunk enough to put up with
Okay.
pick on me.
Okay.
Pick on me. I don't give
Take
a
a seat.
I don't give a fuck.
Grab her knife.
I promise to God.
Get shackles.
Get them. We don't need them. I don't give a fuck. You white ass motherfuckers. You white ass motherfuckers.
Let's go.
Oh, let's pick on her. She's trying to go to prison. Let's pick on her. She's trying to send her ass back to prison. I don't give a fuck. Fuck y'all's racist. Fuck y'all's racist. Motherfucker. I'm just trying to fly home and go to prison. Y'all trying to hate on somebody. Cause if it ain't white, it ain't right. Well, fuck y'all. Fuck y'all. Fuck y'all racist ass motherfuckers.
You know, we'll.
Fuck you. And I promise to God I'm gonna kill you. You're some racist ass motherfucker. You're some racist ass motherfucker.
I got it.
Choke me out. I'll give a fuck. I'll be back.
All right, relax.
You're racist ass motherfucker. No!
Push.
You racist.
No. Don't do that. Don't do that.
You just as racist as the white man. You are just as racist.
All right, push.
That's not right, man.
Oh,
Racism.
yeah, I know. I'm not.
You're racist as a mother. I'm trying to go home. That's because I don't agree to racism. You're gonna lock me up. Cause I know that love is love. Y'all gonna lock me up. Y'all love is love. You racist motherfucker.
Damn, is it just me, or I'm getting dizzy watching this body cam footage? I ain't gonna lie. This thing just bouncing around. Like, I'm like, damn, I'm sitting here trying to focus. I'm looking like, you know, I'm struggling. You feel me? Boy, this is crazy, man. She need to go to jail. Just take a nap, man. Just sleep it off for 8 hours, you know?
Fuck you racist motherfucker. Yo.
She said her own people racist against her.
You not to go home. Racist ass motherfuckers. Because I don't love only white. You're gonna hate on me. I don't even care. I don't even care.
We care. Ow.
No, you don't.
Don't pinch. Good?
I'm not fighting.
Open up the back door.
I'm not fighting. I'm not fighting. I'm not fighting.
No, okay. Stand up. Okay.
I'm not fighting.
Okay. All right. Stand up.
Don't shoot me.
We're not gonna do that. Stand up. No. Double lock.
I'm sorry about this.
Never double lock. What's your name? Chastity.
Yeah.
Can you stand up?
Yes.
Thank you. Oh, jeez.
I'm sorry, you're on for you said you were taking the street.
Where? Here? Right here. Okay. I know. Hey, stop it before we go in. Yeah. Sandy, come back.
You're on 310 form.
Just take them off.
Sandy, come on over here. No, we can't take those off now. No.
I'm not racist. Jake, I love you. I'm trying to go
Hey,
home.
lift up your right leg.
Jake, I love you.
Chastity, lift up your right leg.
I just want to go home.
Put it up.
I can tell they don't love you. I'm not
It's going to be
racist.
before when you have a few plays, references,
I'm not
and beliefs,
racist.
reduce people to try.
We believe you.
I know. It's good place, you guys. You want to go home.
Lift up your left leg.
I'm I'm not racist. You ain't got to do me like this.
Okay.
Please give me a Bible. Send my juicy book.
Hey, I'll follow you to the jail.
Officer, my juicy book. My juicy bag. You got it? You got it?
We got everything. We got your bag.
Where's my juicy bag? Show it.
Okay, we'll show it to you.
All right.
How much you had to drink?
No. No, what?
Okay.
Oh! No, stupid jokes. What? Let go of me.
No.
No, stupid jokes. No, I'll let go.
Have a seat. Have a seat.
Oh, sir,
Have a seat.
I will. Let me go. I do nothing wrong.
Sit up.
I just want to go home. I do nothing wrong.
You'll get the opportunity to go home as soon as we get done. Get up. Sit up. Get up in the chair. Sit up. Sit on the chair.
I do nothing wrong.
There we go. Get the seat.
I do nothing wrong. Not agree with racism. But y'all gonna pick on me. I do nothing wrong. I didn't do nothing wrong. Look who's what else.
Wait a minute.
The woman was charged with battery, touch or strike, disorderly intoxication in a public place causing a disturbance, and resisting an officer without violence.
Damn, man. You're like, from the time you wake up and you start your travels to go to wherever it is that you're trying to go to or whatever, I just think about like the process from how you started your day to how you end up like this, and the decisions that you made throughout the day to that ultimately you ended up in going to jail. You know what I mean? Oh man. Like when you really sit back and you think, right, about maybe something bad that happened, you had a bad day or a bad event happen, and you sit back and you reflect on that day and you look from the time you woke up into however the day was going or whatever, whether you got in a car accident, someone died, this, that, the third, whatever it was, right? You lost your wallet, whatever. It's like, damn, did I make certain decisions throughout the day that ultimately led me to this? Or is this just random out of the blue? Phew. She made certain decisions that led her to this. Like doing two double shot drinks and 2 seltzers or whatever it was. That's too much, man. She's a tiny little thing, man. It's too much. Too much while you're traveling, at least. At least get to your destination and then let the party begin. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.